That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Welcome to the 9th tutorial on Theme C. We will be looking at why people commit crimes, why people re-offend, and what statistics say about violent crime. The Office for National Statistics is the organization that collects data about what is happening in the UK. Re-offend means to commit a crime more than once. Different people say different things about crime in the UK today. Why do you think counting crimes might be difficult? Why might crime appear or actually be worse in some areas compared to others? There are many views on why people commit crimes. It is thought that when there is greater inequality in income and education, people are more likely to commit crimes. Drugs and alcohol also affect the way people behave. Although the amount of alcohol-related crime has been falling over recent years, many victims of violent crime still think that their attacker was under the influence of alcohol. The environment can affect how people behave. In streets that are dirty, full of rubbish and graffiti, there is likely to be more crime. Once people have been in trouble with the police, they are much more likely to re-offend, particularly if they have been in prison before. 47% of people leaving prison re-offend within a year. 58% of people on short sentences re-offend in a year. People in prison often lose contact with their families. They generally have poor education or mental health problems, therefore have difficulty fitting back into everyday life. People on short sentences get less help to put their lives back on track when they are in prison because there isn't time. There is a growing view that prisoners should be given more responsibility to help them deal with the world outside prison. National Prison Radio broadcasts to prisons across England and Wales. It is run by the Prison Radio Association charity whose staff work alongside prisoners. Together they have produced many award-winning programs. Reducing re-offending is a benefit to everybody. Equipping prisoners with skills and confidence is crucial in bringing down re-offending rates. Prison Radio offers a unique, innovative and effective way to communicate with prisoners and engage them in education, debate and community. The Crime Survey for England and Wales shows a steady decline in violent crime over the last 20 years. Violent crime rates have fallen by more than half since peaking in the mid-1990s. Murder has shown a general downward trend since 2002. In 2019, police recorded offences involving a knife or sharp instrument increased by 7%, and offences involving firearms by 4%. The Office of National Statistics records crime falling, but the police say it's rising. Who is right? Let's take a look at the evidence. There is evidence which says that fewer people have been treated in hospital for injuries resulting from violent crime. Murder is unlikely to be underreported, and they are currently shown to be lower than in 1977. Sexual offenses have probably been underreported in the past, but some may argue that more people are willing to come forward today following the Me Too movement, which was started by Tarana Burke. The Crime Survey of England and Wales does not collect data on crimes against businesses. The police used to under-record crime because it made them look better and there was uncertainty about what they should record. Some offences may count as several different crimes but may have only been recorded as one. They have since been told to improve the way they record crimes, so figures may have risen for this reason, rather than more crimes actually taking place. This was particularly true for sexual offenses. Some might say crime is falling and the police data is catching up and being recorded more accurately. In the exam, you might be asked about what can be done to reduce re-offending rates or explain why there is a difference of opinion on whether crime rates are lowering or not.
I'm on the law.